My name's Aaron Graber with Ventrac. Over the last couple days, we've been in South Florida with the brand new boom mower. We've been demoing to several golf courses, schools, and municipalities to show the capabilities of the boom mower. Florida's a great place to show off this attachment because there's a constant growing season and the vegetation is very difficult to manage. A lot of the locations in this video are areas that have been neglected for years at a time or sometimes not maintained at all. There's also other areas that just can't be reached with hand labor or other machines. The Ventrac boom mower will be available in spring 2018. Be sure to contact your local dealer for availability and to schedule a demo. And as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates on the Ventrac boom mower and other attachments.